To schedule an appointment with Ecuaassist for an initial consultation, begin by going to our website, ecuaassist.com. That's ECUAASSIST.com. Once at the website, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner is a button for Book an Appointment Now. Click there to go to our scheduling page. The initial consultation is 15 minutes, and that is free of charge. You'll see that here, so we select that. Next, if we scroll down, we'll be able to select the date first. And then we choose the time on that date. I'll say 11 o'clock, and then I confirm. Next, I'll enter in my contact information here and select whether I would like to have the consultation via phone or Zoom. I'll select Zoom. If I prefer Skype, I can enter that information here. I'll leave that blank. I'll enter my city. What type of inquiry do you have? I would select a temporary residency visa. And I can enter in any additional information I would like to let the attorney know before my appointment. If I'm having a consultation as a new client, then there are additional questions to answer. Date of birth. Enter that, my home postal code, my marital status, and a phone number. And then click to schedule the event. And you have a confirmation, and then check your email for the Zoom or Skype or phone call contact information, a confirmation, and how to access the call.